Laban kay Gonzales reverse, no good. Laban kay Abok. Abok, pass to Demol. Pass to Igot. Igot sa sabay. Igot. Big pass to Demol. Tumira no good. Laban kay Manale. Manale pass to Gonzales. Gonzales pass to Blanca Flor. Tumira na tres. No good. Laban kay Gonzales pa rin. Gonzales umikot. Kapitawan ng bola. Laban kay Manale, pass to Blanca Flor. Blanca Flor ng Bitripo. Blanca Flor pa rin, matake, pass to Gonzales. Nogo, nabatakay. Pass kay para kay Manale. Rattling violation. Blanca Flor, nabatake. Pass to Manale, foul. Ulpan right, pass kamay. First personal foul, first team foul, lack of shooting. Nagod ako ng tira Lastro. Nagod na ngayon, nabatakay Gonzales.
Jud. Ewan mo muna.
Abok P. Napunta kay Manlale. Manlale ng hindi ko nung gagawin. Foul. Demol. First personal foul. Second team foul. Lang. Ay. Pass to Igot. Biyando pa kung bola. Napunta kay Gonzales. Layup. Basket para kay Gonzales. Igot ang dribble. Igot pa rin, nagsusundan. Igot pa rin. Layup, nagod, tapos kay Manlale. Manlale labas ang bola. Manlale nag-isip ko nung gagawin. Nasundan, labas kay Abok. Pass to Gonzales. Gonzales, pass. Basket para kay Blanca Flor. Igot left aliwa. Basket para kay Igot. Blanca Flor sa sablay. Blanca Flor pa rin. Matay, bitaw ng bola. Same ball, 10 second shot clock. 9, 8, 7, 6, basket para kay Manale.
Running time.
9 minutes and 10 seconds. Abok nagtangkalan, tres, no good. Pop out of bounds.
Johnson.
Chapo, dito mga basket para kay Blanca Flor. Kain na kain.
Wala pa nag-install.
Meron na. Igot, huwag katawan. Lapit ng bola, labot na kay. Igot pa rin. Foul. Blanca Flor. First personal foul. First team foul. Act of shooting.
Abok, ikaw magdala ng bola, ha?
Wala ako ng tira Lastro. Nagod na patakayo po rep. Same ball. Time out team. Itik. Back to the ball game. Remaining time 8 minutes and 2 seconds. Official score 10-2 in favor of Velocity. Eagle back to Abok Pumira ng Torres. Airball. Menarik pass to Lakaplor. Lakaplor ang dribble. Lakaplor umikot. Umatake. Napitawan ng bola. Napatakay. Out of bounds. Eagle. Eagle set up play. Eagle pa rin matake. Left sa kaliwa. Nagod na napatakay. Bako. Nagod na napatakay. Demol. Nasunta. Napatakay Manali. Manali. Pass sa kawalan.
Tira mo na. Sige, tira mo lang ikaw. Wait. Antay ka na sa screen mo, ha? Uy!
Abo, magandang ulit ng Torres. Nagod na napatakay Manali. Manali na sa bola. Pass. Manali pa rin. Nagod na napatakay. Bako. Bako umikot. Bako pa rin. Pagsabit. Foul. Demol. Second personal foul. 13 fouls. Out of shooting.
Box out, box out. Box out, box out.
6 minutes and 40 seconds remaining time.
Nice.
Nagod na
Yan,
kay
please ka na.
Ikot. Ikot pass to Marcel. Nagod pa rin. Napatakay. Ikot ang tangkalan Torres. Basket para kay Ikot. Lakaplor. Lakaplor ang dribble. Lakaplor pa rin. Nasundukan. Nabot na kay Ikot. Nagod. Nabot na kay Ikot. Ikot ang tangkalan ng Torres. Nagod. Nabot na kay out of bounds. Abo, tagtama ulit ng Torres. Nagod na batakay. Bako. Bako pass to Lakaplor. Lakaplor set up play. Lakaplor ang dribble. Matake. Bitawan ng bola. Nagod na batakay. Abo. Abo pass to Mote.
Salaksak, salaksak.
Pass ikot. Pass to Abo ang tangkalan ng Torres. Nagod na batakay. Demol. Foul. Manale. First personal foul, second team foul, lack of shooting. Dapat si Asik, nakatulala.
Bumog ka na ba?
Nakaupo, nakatulala.
Box out, box out.
Last throw, ready to jump.
Box out, box out.
Nagod na sa kay Manale. Manale nagigit mo yung pagpasa. Pass to Bako. Bako dribble. Bako matakin. Layup basket para kay Bako. Igot. Tumira na Tres. Nagod. Nabot na kay Demo. Lapit na. Nabot na kay Manale. Pass to Lakaplor. Basket para kay Lakaplor. Last 4 minutes and 50 seconds.
Time out, time out.
Timeout team! Point of good. Remaining time last 4 minutes and 46 seconds. Official score 45 in favor of Velocity.
Gawin mo lang si
Up, down, and out. Body smells so good when you see 100. If I got locked up, the shit is still 4th century. Could I count on you to eat it? Coffee make me pop back to the roof from a band. With the blue and disappear. Like some of my friends, if I was sick and I was hurt, that you be by my side. If it was time to put it up, that you be down right. I got to feel a nigga that still alive. I'm at the foot.
Back to the ball game. Remaining time last 4 minutes and 46 seconds. Yan set the play. Yan Torren nag-dribble. Yan Torren. Step back 3. Airball. Nabot na kay Bakong. Nabot pa rin. Bakong pa rin. Fake shot. Nabot Bakong pa rin. Pass to block of floor. Nabot pa rin. Nabot na kay Igot. Igot na nabot ang bola. Pass to yan. Yan lumatake. Left kaliwa. Pass kill para